Hi, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of This Week in Pricing. We're here this week with President of the Professional Pricing Society, Mr. Kevin Mitchell. Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Megan. Hi, everyone. Thank you very much. And this week we're going to talk about our upcoming 15th annual, I can't believe it's been 15 years, but our 15th annual European and Global Pricing Workshops and Conference. We will be in Berlin at the Sofitel on the Kudamm from the 27th to the 29th of November. We're going to have 3 amazing days as PPS and the EAME Pricing, Revenue Management, and Sales Enablement communities celebrate our 15th year of doing a conference in Europe. And the team and I are very excited. We've got a wonderful program for you. On Wednesday the 27th of November and Thursday the 28th of November, we will have 9 full-day workshops for you. And these go from core pricing skills to negotiations to corporate strategy. Basically, we will cover the bases with a lot of options for you there. And as always, we're very proud to announce that our workshops will involve testing for those who are pursuing the Certified Pricing Professional, the CPP designation. And you can always email or contact us for more information there. And our event will conclude on Friday the 29th of November with just a wonderful day with keynotes in the morning with 3 concurrent breakout tracks in the afternoon, speakers from leading companies from all over the world and from Europe in particular, over covering lots of different issues of importance for today's professional. And as always, our events are designed to get you the education, the strategies, the tactics, the acumen, and the insights that you need to do your job better, both for yourself and for your company. And we're looking forward to having a great time. I believe this will be our 3rd conference in Berlin, so you can always check out the hashtag PPS Berlin 19 for more information. Check out our website, pricingsociety.com for more information there. And make sure to contact us for information about our event, and we are looking forward to seeing everyone there. So again, thanks to the community at large for supporting us. We've celebrated 30 years of doing conferences in North America and now celebrating 15 years of great conferences in Europe. Our events continue to be the best places to get the deepest and broadest information about pricing and related fields worldwide. And we're looking forward to another great event, and I look forward to seeing everyone in Berlin at the end of November. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Kevin. We'll see you guys in Berlin. www.pricingsociety.com. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.